Okay, so here's the story. Really, this is the last day on this island, so I'm trying to figure out. I was gonna take a boat ride. They leave at 10 o'clock. The problem is they go to other islands and they're coming back at 7. I don't want to come back at 7, and I don't want to go to other islands. I want to go to this island. I wanted to see this island. Well, I have a vehicle. Look, I got a map, y'all. So I'm here, and if you want to know the truth, I've been venturing this way a lot. I've been venturing that way a lot. You want some ideas? I live here. Frosty lives there. The port, we'll call the town is there. Now the real town is back here. It's up here. And I'm actually thinking about going this way. Let's check this out. I'm gonna be back by 3 or 4 o'clock. I have to make final decisions of this day as if it's the end, because I leave at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., but it's going to take me a while to get there and get situated. That means everybody needs to be paid today. Everything needs to be taken care of today. So anyway, take that. Let's connect everything. Let's connect coffee and find a private, secluded beach. Must have tapped into the volcano, because I've never had a cup of coffee so hot before. No wind. It's a plus. It's a plus when it comes time to edit this. I have been working in trying to make something out of useless video because of the wind. I have no idea where this is. I just saw people walk up here and I thought, oh, okay, I'll go here too. This is what I wanted, y'all. Of course I wanted it by boat. I wanted these super private beaches that nobody knows about. This way. Oh, okay, that's a body. Look at these. Isn't this beautiful? Colors, colors, colors. Could be worse. Could be that dog. I don't know how we're getting back up. Little cut. I mean minor. This is my private beach. Put my shoes on here, and I couldn't help but look at the detail. And it's just asking for like a puzzle to find the pieces that fit. Right? That's what the obsessive compulsive do. Okay. Oh, we got a winner. There you go. That's my contribution. you sure? Headed that way. Look at the colors. So beautiful. You know, this is exactly what I was looking for today. And especially this one right here. I don't know if anyone on the path even knows this exists. Yeah, I love discovering stuff like that. I wasn't repeating what I did the last time that I was on this island. I've already done that. I wanted to do something different. And so far, let's try this. Colors, colors, colors. Y'all, I just sat up here and had like a meditation moment. It began by, I came around the corner and I interrupted a goat. So I sat there and I realized the goat had a baby and they walked off. And then I watched the pattern of how they walked, but then I started listening. You know, what you hear sitting in silence and soaking it in almost into a hypnotic meditation state. And it was beautiful. To welcome that kind of silence, to welcome that kind of solitude. The things that I'm looking for and achieving, for 2 seconds I sat there and I said, you found it, so take it in. And I just deep breathed and listened and looked around, and you know, it's incredible. Everything is spectacular here. Everything. Look at this. It's like the softest carpet you've ever felt. And it's all what this did. Amazing. I know. Listen, I really don't care. They're not getting burned. Anyway, this is amazing. I am so fulfilled what I've experienced and seen and hiked. I don't know if I need to see anymore. So it's going to take a while to get to there. And then it's going to take a while to go. I'm going to go back the normal way. And I might enjoy the hotel, enjoy the pool. Enjoy room service, enjoy air condition. This is fantastic. I'm in love, if you want to know the truth. I'm in love with this island. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I think low center of gravity is best. I know. I know. I know. I actually think I want to take my shoes off and go through the pass. Here. Oh. So, not there yet. Oh, my friends. That's called civilization. And that's called a restaurant. Look how packed this restaurant is. Do you understand where I am? There's no electricity. This is like a mirage. There's restaurants in Times Square they can't get anybody to go to. This one's packed. Okay, this is the path. However, look what's going on here. Look at your face. Hello. Okay. I gotta go. I got a beautiful face. Huh? In the middle of nowhere, very busy restaurant. I've enjoyed my entire day, but just sitting here, I was able to soak it in. And you know, this is a magical island. It really is. I mean, to clarify, it's actually a very holy island. What it is, it's something that has me vibrating, and I absolutely love it. Yep. As I said, if this is where I end up taking my last breath, it's a good place to exhale.